Welcome to On Chemistry. This is organic chemistry question series. Daily one question for you. Here you have long chain compound with alkene, alcohol and 2 methyl group. You are reacting with iodine and sodium bicarbonate. You should find what will be the final product. Here first step you are using the iodine. Iodine reacts with alkene, it forms iodinium ion. The possibility of next step needs cyclic product. So you have to redraw the molecule where O and iodine are nearby. Then attack is possible. Then iodine ring can open on either way. Where it will open, it can open on the first carbon or end carbon. Here the cation stability dictates the final product. Only secondary cation open and you have the possibility of attack from O minus. So it forms new OC bond. Here the regioselectivity dictated by the carbocation stability. Here secondary carbon is more stable than primary, so it dictates the final product. The concept you outlined here is regioselectivity can also dictated by the cation stability. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.